We're back. We got the PT330. This is a combustible gas leak detector from TopTes.
Immediately. Did you see that?
Inside here it comes with Duracell AAA batteries. Has a top just like their moisture meter, and it protects the sensor. Comes with their branded TopTes carrying case. We've used a lot of different products from TopTes. This is one of them here, and they've all been really good so far. This is the smaller PT199. This is also a combustible gas detector. This seems to be an upgrade. So let's check out the features. This screen will go from green to yellow to red depending on the severity of the detection. It has a relative humidity readout. It switches from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Has an automatic power off button so you can be sure that you don't accidentally leave this on. And then it's got your modes of sensitivity. I recommend high mode. The ranges would be low, medium, and high sensitivity. Low being 700, medium being 400, and high being 50 parts per million.
You can see that it's pretty sensitive as soon as we turn the knob. Let's go check the grill.
Let's turn this on high. We're gonna release the gas. What we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this right here, and I'm just gonna crack this valve. So you see it picks up on propane pretty nicely. See if we can wave it out of here. There we go. Yes, sir. What about alcoholic wipes? Let's see here. This is the sunglass cleaner. Put it on high mode. Alright, we got some Don Julio. We're actually set in high sensitivity right now. This is what we're gonna do. Not very much. That's literally what we're putting in there. Let's try this. This thing's a breathalyzer. That's the sensitivity of this. That's pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Gasoline, ethanol, alcohol, acetone, propane, methane, butane, all that stuff this will pick up on. There you go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.